Hello and welcome to 59 Oklatex here in the Aqua Ramon Club in South Fork, Colorado. We have a bumper tow camper here that's been set on this lot, and it has water, sewer, electric, and there is wireless internet available. And you've got a nice screened-in porch here. This development has HOA dues of $400 a year, and that includes your water and sewer. Your electric's not included. This one has a nice lot. You've got nice big trees. And then back over here, you have a wash shed that has an additional bathroom in it, as well as a washer and dryer. So we'll go in here first. And this is a 3-season type of setup. It's really not conducive to use in the winter, but it's absolutely usable in the spring, fall, and summer as long as it's above freezing. Your water heater here. There's your propane tank. All right, let's go inside. This is an amazing community. It's quiet, peaceful, safe. The river, the Rio Grande River, is right down there. You're very close to the access point, so you can walk down there and fish. And then inside, it's very clean and comfortable. The slides are out. This here converts to a bed. You have space for a dining room table here. Functional kitchen. Great fridge. It even comes with a beer. Look at that. Your bathroom has a tub, not just a shower. It's actually a pretty good sized tub, including a space to sit there. And your bedroom's back here. You've got storage up here, storage underneath the bed, closet here, closet here, closet here, and then of course storage out there in the shed, which is the other bathroom. So you see 1 bedroom, 2 bath. That out there is your second bathroom. And your washer and dryer. In the comments, you'll see a link to the clubhouse. Take a look at that. That link covers both the clubhouse and the river open space. And then right here you have a brand new, kind of never even been used, electric air conditioner. So there you go, 59 Oklatex. It has been reduced to 59,000. It's a great place. Easy, spend your summers up here, close it up, forget about it till next spring. It's a nice way to have your mountain home without paying hundreds of thousands of dollars. There is a family that lives here year-round in the community. Kind of keep an eye on things. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, so check the comments. There's also a drone video so you can see the community from the air. And I look forward to talking to you. Have a great day. Thanks.